to my channel. And I have a new channel which I'm using right now since I could not find my videos on YouTube. So I changed it up to Eve Chia's new channel, and that's my name, Eve Chia. And welcome back to my channel. Like I said, I'm going to be showing you some of Daddy's tools which I want to show you guys. I'll go get some and then I'll bring them here and show you what they're like. Okay, I'll go get first. Okay, I'll just bring that there. Thank you very much. I won't. There, guys. Roll off and away. I won't cry. Okay, the first thing I'm going to show you guys. Oh, the heavy stones. Can I even see? Okay, it's focusing. It's focusing, and there. This is kind of like a shark, a dolphin. I don't know. But the only thing I know about these is that, oh, there's so much of them. I'll take it individually. It's like a small one, but these, like this, is, oh, it's tame. And the second thing I'm going to show you is right here. My fishing reel. That's the whole here, and then actually, I'm not a big fan of fishing. I'm a big fan of Mighty Pups, Paw Patrol, and guess what else? I am the second fan of, you know, who? I won't tell you. So I'm not going to tell you what anything else about those Pups. But I'm going to continue with Mama's fishing rod. This is my mom's fishing rod. I call her Mama. Sorry, guys. Most of you call her Mom, but sorry, I just can't relate with that word. Okay, next one. These I'm actually gonna open. Let's just open this little baggie. Get them out. Get one of them. Look at the end. Look, these are very, very, very little short stuff. Is it focusing? Very, very short. Focusing? Is it focusing? Look at that. Look at that. Can you see it? Oh, yes, you can. Yes, yes. Is it focusing? Okay, so look at this little piece, which my dad ties to every fishing rod. This little thing could be lost, but we have like a billion. See? Can you see it? Okay, let's zoom out. Put this back in. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. I'm using a phone to film. I'm not using a regular camera. I'm not picking up scissors, but I am picking up. I'm going to show you guys. It's okay. I have hooks. Thank you. Hooks. 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 There is a big hook. Look at that. Hook.
Don't take hook like please. Don't be crazy with hook.
Right.
Go hospital.
Alright. That's enough with the hook. Sorry for the discovery. Okay. Stop that. Hooks and hooks and hooks. Hooks. These are not my biggest fans to open, but to show you guys just how cool these hooks are. I actually won't pick them up. Yep. Side. Next. Ooh, next and last, big hooks. I'm not going to open. You see those big hooks from the bottom? Can you? No? Okay, there's only one big hook. I'm still scared. And there's a few more things to show you. Give me a second. Let me go somewhere. Open this.
Go with us.
Sure. What the heck?
Hey, you always lock me again. cannot open all together.
I know I didn't open this now.
Go away first.
Thank you guys. Okay guys, I'm gonna pick something else for you guys to see. I'm gonna put
Also,
what?
you don't take don't touch your foot.
Oh, I don't see any hooks. Oh, I see one. So these are hooks. The thing are not hooks at all. Not even one. Where are the worms? What's that with the worms? I'm gonna open this. The worms are not in here. I know the worms could be in here, but I don't think so. I'm just thinking that the worms could be. And the worms are not here. We have this, which are hooks, hooks, and hooks. This is another hook bag, which I won't open ever again. Where did I put all the worms? Nope, the worms are in here. Where's the worms, Daddy?
I didn't keep with it. Yeah.
I want to show the people the worms. Worms. Guys, I'm gonna get the worms. And guys, the ickiest and pickiest part ever, the worms. Ew, that's disgusting. If you guys just spill this up, my such a pink stretchy worm, a purple stretchy worm. Take these little creatures out. Okay. So these worms, ew. Let's get the bag out. All this stuff. These worms are so disgusting. Ew. Got a whole bunch of these. Oh, yes. Worms, and worms. Ooh. Worms, and worms. Okay, smell test to make sure these worms can be smelled. Part 1. Okay, ready guys, set. Let me smell 2 at a time. This is disgusting. Put the napkin. Showing the kit. Kit. Whoa. Ew, the worms. Ew.